Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide your Steam inventory and make it completely private. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and the application loads, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your username displayed there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select View My Profile to access your Steam profile page. Once your profile page opens, you'll notice several sections and options available. In the right panel of the screen, look for a button that says Edit Profile and click on it. This is where you can customize various aspects of your Steam profile and control what information is visible to other users. After clicking Edit Profile, you'll be taken to a new page with multiple customization options. In the left panel, you'll see a list of different settings categories. Navigate to and click on Privacy Settings. This section is crucial because it controls who can see different parts of your profile, including your game library, friends list, and importantly, your inventory. Within the Privacy Settings page, look for the option labeled Inventory. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on this drop-down to reveal the available privacy options. From the list that appears, select Private. This setting ensures that only you can view your Steam inventory, keeping all your items, collectibles, and trading cards completely hidden from other users. This is particularly useful if you want to maintain privacy about the items you own or prevent unwanted trade requests. And that's it. You've successfully made your Steam inventory private, giving you full control over who can see your items and collection. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.